Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 16 of our Marchesi vocal exercises. Today, we're going for the full 2 octaves, so get ready.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
On this exercise, it's really important to be aware that the rhythm on this is a little bit different than we're used to when going up to 2 octaves. So note that dotted 8th note going into that 16th, and then all 16th notes going up with another hold on the top of a dotted 8th, then coming back down. So this is a little bit tricky. You may have to get used to the rhythm a couple times. So here we go. Tricky. Make sure you watch that dotted 8th going into that 16th and not 8th note with 2 16ths. Okay, so it's bum, ba, bum, ba, ba, bum, not bum, 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 but bum, ba, 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 bum. Okay, so we're mixing it up. We're getting our brains and our vocal cords kind of disentangled from the normal patterns that we're used to doing vocally. And this is going to help us as we're learning more complex music.